Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix this error that happens quite frequently. The reason for this error is that you switch servers too often in a short period of time. This is a kind of a soft ban. If you don't do anything, this will go away after 45 minutes to 2 hours usually. You can also prevent this by using a VPN or a proxy. But if you want to fix it without doing that and you want to fix it now, then watch the video and I will show you how to do it. There's a couple of different steps that you can do to solve it. The first thing you want to do is clear out your DNS cache. To do that, go to the Windows key, search for command prompt here, and you want to type in the command ipconfig/flush DNS. And that has flushed the DNS. Now type ipconfig/release. And finally, you want to type ipconfig/renew. And after you've done this, close the command prompt and relaunch Roblox to see if this fixed the issue. If you're still facing issues, what you might want to try is clearing the Roblox client cache. So type run, type in this local app data, press OK, search for Roblox, find this Roblox here, open it and delete all of the data inside of it. Then after you've done that, this clears the Roblox cache. After you've done that, you want to make sure that there are no background apps running that are causing conflicts. So you want to search for msconfig, find system configuration. You want to click on selective startup and make sure that load system services and load startup times are checked. And then you want to go to services tab. You want to click on the hide all Microsoft services here. Then you want to click on disable all. And then you want to click on apply. Then close this, restart your computer, and see if this fixes the problem. This should fix the problem. But again, if this doesn't fix the problem, try using a VPN or a proxy server. That should fix the problem. If it doesn't, wait about 2 hours and it should go away. If it still doesn't go away, that might mean that you are IP banned. If that's the case, you want a new IP address, so you want to shut off your internet for a while and then turn it back on, and so you get a new IP address and you should be good to go. If this solved your problem, leave the video a like. If it didn't, leave the video a comment and let me know why.